a really awesome theme, and the theme that I'll be showing you is the one that I got up right now, and it's called iRefine HD. Today I'll be showing you where it is. Go to Cydia and to search, and then searching iRefine HD. That's iRefined HD, and then we'll then install it. And then when it's been installed, make sure that you have Winterboard, and this is what it looks like. Click it, go to select theme, tick all these that say iRefine HD, iRefine icons true, iRefine invisible dock, and iRefine tap to unlock. So this is how it looked like. Then I hope you enjoy it, and the name will be in the description. Thanks for watching.